Welcome back to our kitchen. Today, we're diving into a dish that's sure to become a new family favorite, garlic Tuscan chicken. It's creamy, flavorful, and surprisingly easy to make. Perfect for a weeknight dinner or a special occasion. First, let's gather our ingredients. We'll need boneless, skinless chicken thighs, garlic, sun-dried tomatoes, spinach, heavy cream, chicken broth, Parmesan cheese, and a few essential seasonings. Start by patting your chicken thighs dry. Season generously with salt, pepper, and a touch of paprika. This helps create a beautiful crust. Heat some olive oil in a large skillet over medium-high heat. Once hot, add the chicken thighs and sear them for 5 to 7 minutes per side, until golden brown and cooked through. Remove the chicken from the skillet and set aside. Don't worry about any bits left in the pan, they're packed with flavor. In the same skillet, add the minced garlic and cook for about 1 minute, until fragrant. Be careful not to burn it. Pour in the chicken broth and scrape up any browned bits from the bottom of the pan. This is called deglazing and adds incredible depth of flavor. Stir in the sun-dried tomatoes, heavy cream, and Parmesan cheese. Bring the sauce to a gentle simmer, stirring occasionally, until it thickens slightly. Now, add the fresh spinach. Cook for just a few minutes, until the spinach wilts down and is tender. The vibrant green color is lovely. Return the cooked chicken thighs to the skillet, nestling them into the creamy Tuscan sauce. Allow them to simmer for a few more minutes to absorb all those wonderful flavors. Taste the sauce and adjust seasonings if needed. A little more salt or pepper can make all the difference. Garnish with a sprinkle of fresh parsley or more Parmesan cheese. Serve immediately with your favorite sides, like pasta, rice, or crusty bread for dipping. This garlic Tuscan chicken is a true crowd pleaser. The tender chicken, the rich creamy sauce, and the burst of flavor from the sun-dried tomatoes and spinach are simply irresistible. Thank you for joining us in the kitchen today. We hope you enjoy making and eating this delicious recipe. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more amazing recipes. See you next time.